Oh, there we go, guys. There we go. Oh! What is that? What is that? Is that a rainbow? Nope, it's another chub. It's a decent sized chub. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Look at that. Nice little fish. First one of the day. Good fight. Thank you. Okay. So, just the trout magnet, guys. That works. Oh, something else is taking it right now. Yep, I got something else. Nice. Oh, guys, this is so fun on this ultralight. I'm so glad I picked it up. Oh, man, look at this guy. Look at this, guys. This is fun. This is great. Get this guy off. Whoa, relax, buddy. Relax. Relax, relax. They're very slimy fish. Okay, another nice little one. Creek chub. Okay. Oh, we got another something super small. Are you bass? Seriously, guys. Oh, these little tiny river bass are just so aggressive. I can't believe they would bite something like more than half the size of them. There we go. There's another fish. There we go. Oh, this one's a little different. Is this a shiner? What is this guy? No, he might be the same. I think he's the same. Yeah. A creek chub. All right, guys. Let's move up a bit. Check out some of these spots we haven't fished. Really muddy here. Really slick and muddy. All rocks. All rocks. Yes, it looks like there's... Oh, they've been swimming in here. People swimming in here. I can tell. It's way too deep for anything else. You guys, this is a deep pool right here. Oh, something just ate it. Something just ate it. Oh, it was a bass. It was a bass, guys. He's still there. He's still there. There we go, guys. That's a bass. There we go. Little river bass. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Relax, relax. Set this rod down. Nice. Nice, guys. Nice little bass. See if we can get his buddies. There's like 3 of them kind of just chilling here. He wasn't the biggest one either. There we go. Oh! He took it. He took it. Had the tail. Just the tail. Let's try again. Let's try again. Shall we? Oh, sketchy. Sketchy, sketchy, sketchy. This is a deep pocket here. If I fall in, I'm not just getting wet and getting absolutely soaked. So I may have overstayed my welcome. Oh, there we go, there we go. So it looks like with the ball head jig I can cast it much farther and it has a much faster sink weight. But nice. We got another bass on it. They obviously like the minnows, but we knew the gulp minnows would be a hit. They're always a hit. Right? Nice little bass. Thank you. Have him go back. I am a little worried because so many laydowns and twigs there. Oh, we got another one, guys. We got another one. The minnow, man. The minnow. Oh, this one's is this a shiner? This is a shiner, guys. Oh, no, maybe a chub. He's just, what is he? He looks, I don't think he's a chub. No, maybe not. Maybe not. I think he's a shiner. He's bleeding a little bit. Yeah, he doesn't have that dot. He doesn't look like a creek chub. I think he's a shiner. Pretty sure. Pretty sure it's a shiner. Thanks, guys. Now my hands are super slimy. I'm going to go rinse them off real quick. So let's keep going. As long as they're biting, we'll keep going. Oh, I got another one, guys, already. Oh, wow. Okay, same species. He inhaled this one. Wow, he really inhaled that one. Okay, back you go. That was a turtle, guys. I see a soft-shelled turtle right there in front of me. There we go. Another little chub. Relax. Relax. Alright, guys. I think that is our cue. Just heading back. Restricted time 3:40. So we have an hour and 10 minutes. So we still do have some time. But it looks like I have cashed all the goodwill in that hole. Oh, that's a good one, guys. That's a good one. Guys, that is a good bass. That is a smallmouth. That is a good smallmouth bass. Guys, look at this. Holy shit. Nice. First decent sized smallmouth in the river, guys. In the fucking river. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful smallie, guys. Very, very pretty fishing. She fought well. She actually is one of the first ones today to pull drag. So, man. Beautiful fish, beautiful fish. Thank you so much. You made this all worth it, baby. Oh my lord, guys. My lord, that was fantastic. Fantastic. She fought so hard, guys. I had to tighten my drag twice fighting her. Amazing fight. Amazing fight. And on this little rod too. That made everything worth it. Oh, that's money. There we go. Chub, chub. Any fish is fun. Thank you. There we go. Oh, this one's slightly different. It's got like a black lateral line. Oop. What did you do here? What have you done? Relax, relax. Don't rip your jaw apart. He's a little bit smaller. Maybe he's just darker. Alright, what happened here? There we go. Oh, dude, that's a better fish. What are you? What are you? What are you? You're just a bigger chub. Probably the biggest chub I've caught here. Okay. Buddy. There you go, there you go. Sorry about the blood, but Yeah. Nice one. Very nice one. Pretty. Thank you. Go, get out of here, guy. And it's kind of crazy, too, because, like, some of those YouTube guys are saying, like, yeah, river fishing's not like lake fishing because you can keep fishing the same pocket or pool over and over and you'll still keep catching fish. And I thought they were exaggerating, but obviously they're not, because it's back to back. Alright. So try not to hurt you as much as did your buddy. Thank you. There we go. Oh! Dang, guys. What was that? It didn't feel like a chub. It fought a little harder. I don't think it was another smallmouth. Oh, there we go. We got something. Woo! Little jumper. Oh, you're a bass. Little bass. Okay. Bye. Okay, let's empty your shoes for a second. We got a fish. Let's go. Rock bass? Yep. Nice little rock bass. Okay. We're catching them everywhere. Whoop. Little bud. You're good. Here you go. Good. You're good. Free to go. Okay. See him right there in the middle. There we go, something else. Okay, what do we have this time? Little pumpkin seed green sunfish hybrid. Okay. So now we're starting to hit on the worm a little bit. Will you relax? I'm not trying. There you go. Trying to get a picture, guy. Yeah. Oh, we have. Oh, battery died, guys. I just caught a sculpin. Little dude. But still cool. Another species on the list. That was on the trout worm. Just changed the battery, so we'll see if we can catch another one or something else. But still on time. Probably got like 15 minutes left.